I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am sad. I am angry. I am excited. I am bored. I am scared. I am ready. I like apples. I like bananas. I like pizza. I like tea. I like coffee. I like reading. I like writing. I like swimming. I like walking. I like singing. I can swim. I can run. I can read. I can write. I can cook. I can dance. I can drive. I can sing. I can jump. I can help. This is my book. This is my pen. This is my bag. This is my chair. This is my table. That is your book. That is your pen. That is your bag. That is your chair. That is your table. Where is my phone? Where is my wallet? Where is my key? Where is my bag? Where is my watch? I am going home. I am going to school. I am going to work. I am going to market. I am going to park. I have a dog. I have a cat. I have a car. I have a bike. I have a house. Do you like apples? Do you like bananas? Do you like pizza? Do you like tea? Do you like coffee? I want water. I want food. I want tea. I want coffee. I want rest. I need help. I need water. I need food. I need money. I need a pen. Can you help me? Can you call me? Can you see this? Can you hear me? Can you come here? I like your dress. I like your shoes. I like your bag. I like your hair. I like your smile. How are you? How is your day? How is your family? How is your work? How is your health? I am fine. I am good. I am not fine. I am okay. I am busy. It is hot. It is cold. It is sunny. It is raining. It is snowing. I like summer. I like winter. I like spring.